Hey, welcome back, my amazing students. I'm so glad that you guys are here back again for more knowledge. Good job, guys. Really good job. Anyway, so on this lecture, let's see what we can do here. So if I click on this guy here, we don't even have a route to go to the post detail to get more details about our post, right? So that's one of the first things that we need to do is build this route for post detail. So let's go for a single post. So let's go and do that right now. We have the comment model. We're going to work on that later. But right now we need another route here. As a matter of fact, let's do it right down here. All right. So we'll create a decorator here real quick. And this decorator route is going to go into post. And then here, what we're going to do is we're going to pass in ID on the URL on top, right? This is going to be a GET request. So we don't even need to do this here. We'll just do the general route here for a minute. And then here, since we want to pass data into this route from the top URL address bar, we're going to say this is going to be an integer. Then we put the colon and we're going to say, hey, the post ID is going to come here. And then we close it with a greater than symbol, all right? So we got the less than symbol here. And then we have the type of data that's gonna come in, int, colon, to separate this from the value, all right? And then we close it. Simple as that. All right, now this is gonna trigger a function, of course, and let's call it post detail, because that's what we're gonna do, right? And then we're gonna get the post ID right here. Accept the post ID. And then we're gonna return the render template. We're going to return the post detail HTML right here. Simple as that. All right. So let's go ahead and go into the index here. And there is a link here that we have. Let's replace this with the function URL4. I think we're using that function somewhere here. Well, anyway, you guys already know how to use that. So we say URL4, single quotes. And where do we want to go? We want to go into the post detail function. We're going to trigger that function. And then, yeah, let's go ahead and take a look at that. As a matter of fact, we also want this here, right there, in the post title. All right. So now let's refresh it. Oops. Oh, one thing that I forgot here, let me see, is that we forgot the post ID, right? So let's go back in here and let's go ahead and do that right now. We can go ahead and kill one bird, well, two birds with one shot, right? Well, we don't want to kill anything, but really, that's just the same. So we're going to query the database here, query, and then we're going to get, and we can say, or 404, right? So if we don't get anything, we give them a 404. So we're gonna pass that in there. Let's see if we get that error now. Come back here. Home page, endpoint, post detail. Did you forget to specify the values? Yes, I did. I forgot to specify the value right here. So we got the post detail and post ID. And we're gonna get the post ID right here. Simple as that. Let's go ahead and put that in here as well. Don't forget the comma. And refresh, and now it's working. So let's click on this, and now you can see the post, all right? Really cool stuff. Now, this is all static data. Remember, we don't have anything on that post detail page yet. We need to replace some of this data that's gonna come here, okay? With the content, actually, we need to replace the static with the content that's going to come in from our database. From that, we already have the post ID right here. I mean, we are passing it in. As a matter of fact, we're not passing it in here. Well, let's actually do that now too. So that way we can accept that in the other side. So we pass the whole post in here. We got the post ID, but we get the post and we just pass it into the route. And now let's save that and we can go back into the post detail and pick that up here, okay? Simple as that. So we can go ahead and start using it right away. This is the title. So we can say, we grab the post and we say, just show me the title. All right, and refresh, and now you can see the real title coming in from the database. Really cool stuff, guys. Let's go also get the body real quick here. So let's come back here, and I believe we called it post the body, right? So body, there we go, and refresh, and now you can see crazy long body of that post, right? Really cool stuff, guys. All right. Anyway, yeah, we're doing really good so far. Let's also work on the date. Now, we do have some type of modification on the date, so we need to go back and see how we can get that back from the index right here. You can see that this is the way I have it. So I'm going to copy that from the index, take it back to post detail, and paste it in here. Simple as that, right? Let's see how that looks. Refresh, and now you can see that the date changed. So we're getting dynamic data from the database. Really cool stuff, guys. Really cool stuff. We're going to work on the comments later, but we already have a comment model, right? So all we need to do is work on the form that's going to create the models. I mean, the data, the comments. So we need to work on that form for the comments. And yeah, it's going to be pretty cool. I'll see you guys on the next lecture, right? Take care.